Cut your energy bills by up to 40%. Why pay the inefficiency tax every month? If your AC is struggling, you aren't just uncomfortable, you're losing money. At CoolMaster, we specialize in high-efficiency, two-stage systems that provides up to 18 SEER2 efficiency and that pay for themselves in savings. Why homeowners are switching to the CoolMaster way. Slash bills. Reduce your energy costs by up to 40%. Total protection. Lifetime warranty options plus 10 years of labor coverage. Sleep easy knowing you're covered. The bonus bundle. Get a whole home air scrubber, high-efficiency filters, and a Wi-Fi thermostat free with your install. Smart financing. 0% interest for 18 months, or low APR plans up to 15 years. Stop sweating the electric bill. Let us handle the heavy lifting. From start to finish, we deliver comfort, quality, and confidence. The CoolMaster way.